Hey my beautiful roses! Welcome back to my channel. If I told you that you could fix cracked heels, rough hands, and even dark knuckles without spending a single dollar, would you believe me? No expensive spa appointments. No overpriced creams. Just simple effective hacks you can do right at home with things you already own. In this video, I'm giving you the ultimate $0 foot and hand care routine. We're tackling everything: dryness, rough skin, calluses, cracked feet, and yes, even dark knuckles. Not only that, but I'm also showing you some super easy hand exercises that will slim down your fingers, tone your hands, and make them look long, soft, and pretty. So if you're tired of hiding your hands or feeling embarrassed about your feet, keep watching. Because this is the glow up your hands and feet have been waiting for. So grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook, and let's get some pretty hands. Step 1. Reset. Clean and soak. Alright roses, before we do anything fancy, we need to give our hands and feet a clean start. Grab a bowl or bucket and fill it with warm water, not hot. Warm water does two amazing things. It relaxes your muscles, and it softens up the tough dead skin that makes your heels and hands feel rough. Think of it like a warm-up for your skin. Next, sprinkle some salt into the bowl. Salt is a natural disinfectant. It helps kill bacteria and gets rid of odor. It also makes your skin feel super fresh. Here's a free little upgrade. If you've got soap at home, add a tiny drop into the water before mixing. This turns your soak into a gentle cleanser, lifting off dirt and sweat. Now, soak your feet or hands for a good 10 to 15 minutes. This is your chill time roses. You can literally put on music, scroll on your phone, or just relax and daydream. And guess what? While you're soaking, your skin is softening, your cuticles are loosening, and those cracks or hard patches are getting ready to say goodbye. Step 2. Exfoliate that dead skin. Okay roses, now that your hands and feet are nice and soft from the soak, it's time to get rid of all that dead skin. Because let's be honest, no amount of lotion in the world is going to work if there's a layer of rough, flaky skin blocking it. Exfoliating is the glow-up step you really need. Now, head to your kitchen and grab sugar. Mix it with a little bit of water or coconut oil until it's grainy. Then, rub this on your feet, especially your heels, because that's where most of the dead skin hides. This doesn't just smooth your skin, it also boosts blood flow, which makes your feet look more alive and healthy. Next, move to your hands. Scrub your nails with an old brush and pay extra attention to your knuckles, because that's where skin tends to darken and get rough. Scrubbing here makes them softer and preps them for the brightening step we'll do later. Quick tip: exfoliate gently, not crazily. You're removing dead skin, not trying to peel off your actual skin. Step 3. Soften and moisturize. Alright roses, now that we've soaked and scrubbed, it's time for the most important step: moisturizing. This is the moment that actually locks in all that softness we've been working for. Without this, your skin will just go right back to being dry, and we don't have time for that. So here's the truth. You do not need some luxury cream or a $30 body butter to get soft, glowing skin. If you've got Vaseline or shea butter, that's amazing. But if you don't, just grab your cooking oil. It could be vegetable oil, olive oil, sunflower oil, whatever you've got. These oils are packed with natural fats that your skin will need. Here's what you'll do. Take a small amount of Vaseline and massage it onto your feet first, focusing on your heels and any dry spots. Don't just rub it in, really massage it in. Next, put on a pair of socks to help block in the moisture and keep your feet soft. Then move to your hands. Massage it into your fingers, knuckles, and even around your nails. This not only softens your skin, but also makes your nails stronger and shinier. This is what I like to call rich girl skin on a $0 budget. Step 4. Lightening dark knuckles. Now roses, let's get into something a lot of us deal with, but don't really talk about: dark knuckles. They can make your hands look older, duller, or just not as fresh as the rest of your skin. But don't worry, I've got you. So here's the first free hack: lemon and baking soda. If you've got a lemon or a lime in your kitchen, slice it in half, add a tiny spoon of baking soda, and rub it directly on your knuckles. Lemons are natural brighteners because they've got vitamin C, which helps fade darkness and even out skin tone, while baking soda acts like a mild scrub and natural lightener. Rub for about a minute before you rinse off with water. But if you don't fancy lemons, let me give you another hack: potato juice. Just slice a raw potato and rub it on your knuckles. Potatoes have enzymes that naturally brighten the skin. Here's the secret though: no matter which hack you use, you must moisturize afterward. Brightening ingredients can dry your skin, and dry skin makes your knuckles look darker. So always finish with a little oil, Vaseline, or whatever moisturizer you have. And roses, let me be real with you, don't expect overnight magic. Dark knuckles usually come from things like friction, dryness, or even genetics. So the real glow up happens when you stay consistent. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, and within a few weeks you'll notice your knuckles looking softer, smoother, and lighter. Step 5. Hand exercises for longer, slimmer hands. Alright roses, we're ending this routine with something most people don't even think about: hand exercises. Yes babe, just like your body, your hands can be stretched, toned, and trained to look longer, slimmer, and more beautiful. Here's what you need to do. Number 1. The finger stretch. Put on a hair tie on one finger and gently spread out that fingers as wide as you can. Hold it for 5 seconds, then relax. Do this 5 times. This stretches the muscles in your hands and makes them look more elongated. Number 2. The knuckle stretch. Fold your knuckles together inward and gently pull at your knuckles. Do this for 30 seconds every day. This keeps your joints flexible and helps your knuckles look smoother. Number 3. The finger squeeze. Place one hand on another and squeeze shut. Release and repeat for 30 seconds every day. This tones your fingers and gives them a leaner look over time. Number 4. The hand flex and stretch. Stretch your hand out. Hold it for 5 seconds. Then close your hands and hold for another 5 seconds. Repeat this 3 times. It tones your hands and makes your hands look more graceful. Number 5. The palm press. Put your palms together like you're praying. Press them firmly, hold for 10 seconds, then relax. Repeat 3 times. This strengthens your hand muscles and makes them look more sculpted. Number 6. The finger pulls. Pull each of your fingers gently with your other hand like you're trying to stretch them out. Do this for 30 seconds, every morning and night. This gives your fingers more flexibility and that long, delicate look. Roses, if you do these every day, both morning and night, your hands will start to look slimmer, more elegant, and even more photogenic. Perfect for all those nail pics and mirror selfies. Basically, your hands are going to start serving main character energy. And there you have it roses, a full hands and feet care routine that costs you $0. No fancy products, no salon bills, just pure at-home magic. Think about it, your hands are the first thing people notice when you wave, when you text, when you hold something cute. Your feet? They literally carry you everywhere. They deserve love, and you just gave them a whole spa day without spending a dime. So roses, if you love these tips, I want you to drop a heart in the comments. Let me know which hack you're trying first, the lemon, the sugar scrub, or the hand exercises. And when you do try it out, come back and tell me how soft your skin feels, because I love hearing your results. Also, don't forget to subscribe, because I've got so many more $0 beauty secrets I can't wait to share with you. Alright my roses, thank you for hanging out with me. Go treat those hands and feet like the queens they are, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay pretty, stay glowing, and as always, keep shining roses.